everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to post on CapCut and become a creator. Let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Before we get started, you have to be a CapCut creator first. To do this, make sure you've signed up and have an active account. Once you're in the app, tap on the New Project button to start creating a video. You'll be able to choose videos and images from your gallery to include in your project. After selecting your media, tap Add. You'll be taken to the editing screen where you can trim clips, add music, apply effects, and include text. Make sure to explore all the editing tools available to make your video stand out. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to post. Tap on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, then tap Export again. After your video is exported, you'll see an option to share it directly to social media platforms. Choose the platform you want to post on, like TikTok or Instagram, and follow the prompts to share your video. If TikTok appears here, click on it, as this is the most ideal to post your prompt on. And that's it! You've successfully posted on CapCut and taken your first step as a creator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.